Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvia Clark and I am a life and business strategist and creator of supernaturallyme.com, which teaches you how to live supernaturally in a natural world. Please take a moment to subscribe to this channel and check out my blog. Thank you for your support and let's get into today's video. Okay, so I wanted to show you my daughter's hair before I get started. This is my daughter Eden. She's going to be my hair model for today.
Hi.
So right now her hair is sectioned off into twists, just a little bit, into twists, and this is how I twist her hair up at night when she goes to sleep. And I also wash her hair in sections. So I keep the twist in. What I'll do is I'll untwist one section, I'll shampoo it and condition it. And while the conditioner is in, I will comb or detangle her hair either with my hands or with the comb, a wide tooth comb. And then I will retwist the section and then move on to the next section. So I keep her hair in twists as I'm washing her hair, and I just wash and condition section by section. Today I will be using Shea Moisture Retention Shampoo and Restorative Conditioner, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, Raw Shea Butter, Eco Styler Gel, Coconut Oil, and a wide tooth comb. Okay, so I just finished washing her hair. So this is her hair washed. I washed it, put conditioner, and then rinsed it out. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do her hair in a twist out style because she wants to wear it out. So I'm pretty much gonna keep it in the same sections that it's already in. Just do for each twist that I have now, I'm gonna just put it into 2 twists for that section. And then I'm gonna first moisturize her hair and then twist it. So this back section that was 2 twists will now become 4 twists for her twist out style. The steps. First, I'm adding in a little bit more water because that helps when I need to detangle or if I need to detangle some more. And the first thing I'm going to do is kind of gently finger detangle any knots that I may find in her hair, and gently remove those as gently as I possibly can. Next, I add in coconut oil because that also helps to detangle. And once I put in the coconut oil in her hair, I will use the wide tooth comb to get out any tangles that might still be in her hair. going to apply castor oil to her hair to help seal in the moisture from the shea butter. And then finally, I will add the Eco Styler gel for hold. And I'm going to make sure that I rake the gel throughout her hair to get it evenly in. And the gel also helps to add to her curl. So her hair is going to be a little bit tighter with the gel in it. I normally don't add gel, but the last couple of times I have done it, and I feel that it helps to hold her twists a little bit more. Looks completed, so her whole head has been twisted, and I will let it dry for about a day and a half. I've untwisted her hair, and this is the final result. Her curls will loosen over time, and at night I twist her hair in the big sections as you saw in the beginning to keep the style as long as possible.